How to change default formatting in Apple Notes. Here's how to change the default formatting in Apple Notes on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apple Notes. Next, tap New Notes, Start With. You'll see several formatting options, including title, heading, subheading, and body. Choose the format you want to use as the default for all new notes. For example, if you select Body, every new note you create will automatically start with standard body text instead of a title or heading. Once you make your selection, the change is saved automatically. Now, whenever you create a new note in Apple Notes, it will begin with your chosen formatting style, helping you stay consistent and save time. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default formatting in Apple Notes on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.